how to turn off location service on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You will just go first and open TikTok. Then when TikTok is opening, automatically home will open. You just go down on your profile, then open your profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy, and then go to location service. Then you will change this to this and click here on never, then click open settings, and you have to go to permission here and then go to location and click don't allow, and that's it. Just you will back, and now it will change as you see. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.